Hello, everybody, and welcome. This is Oscar, and it's Crypto.com time. And overall, I think the stocks and crypto performed decent this week. It was a pretty good one thus far. They ended up well. We see the coin market cap above 1.70 trillion. That's awesome for crypto. And in the fear index, we are at fear, no longer extreme fear. So definitely, we're getting out of the shallow crypto winter. But we'll see what happens in the future, right? Specifically, right now for Crypto.com, we have a team up of Lebron James and Crypto.com. So that is great. And we have a further expansion of the Web3 and Crypto.com is involved. So I'll tell you everything you need to know because I think the best news right now is the price. We're no longer at 30 cents. We're passing 40 cents and beyond. I'm bullish. How about you? Sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Let's see what's going on with Crypto.com. And I think one thing that you really want to know, and it is very important because Crypto.com, what we saw in 2021 was a massive expansion in brand recognition, reach, volume, users, and all those good things. We know that they have DeFi with VBS Finance, they have lending and borrowing with Tectonic and many other different projects. But this one is great. Why? Lebron James tweeted and Crypto.com retweeted another incredible program for my community. Definitely what LeBron is trying to do is raise awareness, help people, help kids. Everyone deserves the same access. Everyone deserves the same opportunity to call their own shot. How appropriate, knowing that, he's from a basketball perspective. And when you go here, it says LeBron James, Crypto.com team up to help income kids learn more about technological careers. And as you go down, it tells you pretty much that they're trying to help with cryptocurrency learning, and man, education specifically with blockchain and cryptocurrency. Look at me, almost 30, and these kids are going to be learning cryptocurrencies at that age. Great job, LeBron. Great job, Crypto.com, by allowing this team up. And just for the next generation, I think you and I have to agree this is where we're heading, and it's a great positive. I super like it. And another thing about the team up, guys, amazing news. We're excited to announce 22 million fundraise with participation from other different companies, including Crypto.com and Gavin Wood, right? That's pretty good. And other great investors. So what I'm looking at here is Crypto.com thus far, understanding they are at a 17 rank on CoinMarketCap. They don't really care much where they are ranked. All great companies don't really care. Cardano, Polkadot, whatever, they don't care. What they care about is utility. It's delivering great customer experience, and the people use it and see value. They have a great proposition. So at the end of the day, it's not about the price. It's about the long-term project that people can come to that network and go ahead and get out of the normal traditional fiat way and start participating in some decentralized finance and good blockchain technology, right? So that's really good, guys. A couple of good news for Crypto.com. I see 43 cents. We were down almost close to that 20 cents. We did not reach it, but that is really good, guys. What's happening right now, we see fear, like I mentioned, no longer extreme fear. Fear now, always great news. But here it is. What I'm really excited to show you is that, well, based on what Crypto.com is doing, what it's mimicking? Well, it's mimicking Bitcoin super nicely. I've been studying and listening this, kind of watching from the sidelines, and CRO, it really focuses and kind of moves along where Bitcoin does. And I see right now we have a double bottom, as you can see right here on the price of Crypto.com. And I like it, guys. If you are kind of passionate when it comes to TA, you can immediately recognize that the price can go up if you kind of follow the intuition and the patterns. And this is it. First content, the second content, as the second bottom, we have the neckline, and that is what you will expect as the price keeps going. And if we go back to the price, it is exactly what happened. First contact around January the 22nd, second contact at around January the 24th, and then the price went uphill. And right now we're looking once again at this kind of resistance level that we had on the 43 cents. And at this time right now on the 4-hour chart, we have the RSI close to being overbought. The stochastic RSI already overbought. However, I'm going to go ahead and show you to the 1 day, because as we go to a more long-term view of this cryptocurrency, their RSI at this time barely gonna be meeting the middle band, which is Lightning, and the stochastic RSI. It's right about here, so it is overbought. What I'm looking, everybody, is the following. Bitcoin, what does it follow? It follows Nasdaq, right? So let's see what Nasdaq did in the last couple of days. Last 5 days, Nasdaq went 2.14%. But just check this, guys. It wasn't an easy battle. If you were from the opening bell on Monday all the way to the closing bell on Friday, you know that it was crazy. A lot of things happened. The Fed spoke. So wow, the interests are going to rise in March, somewhere along those lines. So it's going to be a lot of volatility coming in, but definitely gives us time for us to make some moves before that happens. So it ended up pretty well after all, coming close to the 14,000 point on Nasdaq. It is important to mention Nasdaq, in my opinion, because that's what right now hasn't been decoupled from Bitcoin. So it is what it does. And definitely since CRO follows Bitcoin, it is what we're seeing thus far. My personal opinion on all of this, I'm of course not going to be selling CRO for profit. I'm holding for long-term future. I already have a good position of around 8 to 9,000 CRO staking, baby. If you are not staking, you're literally throwing money away and not putting it to work for you. So go ahead from the crypto.com blue app, change it to the to the DeFi white application and start staking your crypto.com. That's the best way to make money in the long term, and make sure you have an amazing, nice ride with this cryptocurrency company. One thing that you also can do is trade it, because at this time I've seen on YouTube a lot of people talking about a crypto winter, right? You have Coin Bureau, you have Android talking about a crypto winter that may happen. What does that mean? Probably continuation of the bearish kind of feeling market that we're seeing thus far. And I'm ready. Most of my positions are done, are already looking forward and earning me passive income on that deal. So if you're looking for more trades, I think that could also happen. For right now, we need to be seeing Bitcoin at above $40,000 to really start going back to that resistance and then get out from there. But if it at this time is less than $40,000, I will still be iffy as to possible more gains, because there's still going to be a lot of volatility, especially what the Fed is doing right now, geopolitical unrest, inflation, and much more. So thus far, I don't think the battle has been won, especially for Bitcoin. All some other major altcoins and crypto.com, we're still down. If you go ahead and take a look at the more macro view, I'll put it in a 1-year view. This is exactly what is happening. We're still, from the Fibonacci perspective, all the way from the bottom, top, we are at around, I will say, 65% retracement. We're even worse at about 40% retracement. We're way better now. That is exactly what I'm saying. That once we see this fear and greed index, instead of extreme fear and fear all the way to extreme greed and greed, that's going to be the time for us to start making some tough decisions as far as selling and collecting some profits. Because I think this time I'm not going to let that episode an opportunity happen. We need to start making some money. So I'll tell you more later on, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take a look at the links down below for your free Bitcoin stocks, and also join my Patreon page, Discord channel, so you know all the behind the scenes. And do not forget, if you want, also in the link descriptions down below, get your physical coins. We have Shiba Inu, Coin, IDA, Bitcoin, and many more. So go ahead, instead of maybe getting one digital Bitcoin, you can get one physical and show it off to all your friends. Catch you later, guys. Peace.